Hello and welcome to another Itinbusiness unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing a Lenovo Thinkpad E14 business laptop. Nothing too exciting about the packaging, as this is obviously designed for business. It's a bit of a shame that they're still using this polystyrene or plastic style packaging. It does say it's recyclable, but it would be nice to see them using cardboard instead. Let's see what we get inside the box. So, not too much is included. Again, this is just a basic business laptop. Just have the power adapter, plug. It's a USB-C power adapter, I believe now. Very minimal setup guide. It's just literally a pamphlet in a bag, nothing else. And the computer itself. So let's take it out of the bag and have a look. It's got quite a nice metallic finish, although I think that is actually metal. I don't think it's just a finish. Inside, we've got the usual keyboard protector. And this is one of the latest ones it has the Ryzen 7 and the integrated Radeon Vega graphics. Good to see as well, it also has a matte screen and not a glossy screen. Good size touchpad. Will it pass the one finger screen opening test? No, it won't. Well, it will just about open with one finger. You do have to, maybe with two fingers. Yeah, still a bit, the hinge is still a little bit high friction, so probably better to hold it down and open it in a more traditional fashion. Taking a look at the left hand side, we can see have the USB-C that appears to be charge only. It's not used for anything else. Standard full size HDMI, two USB 3 ports, one of which it can also be used for phone charging. We have that appears to be a combined 3.5mm headset microphone jack. There's nothing particular on the front of it. On the right hand side you have a micro SD card slot, another what appears to be just a straight USB port. There's no other markings on that one. Integrated Ethernet and the Kensington lock. There's nothing on the back at all. And again, these newer model Lenovos, they don't have any kind of integrated docking station. They just have a USB-C dock that latches in the side. What looks like the speaker outputs are on the bottom as well. Don't see any channels for fluid, but that might actually run through the speaker holes. But there you go. That is the unboxing for the Lenovo Thinkpad E14. Pretty soon we will go on to the testing and usability video.